सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माय गोवा नेटवर्काचेर. आयज आमी आसा ॲडवोकेट क्लिओफातो आल्मेदा हांच्या वांगडा. दिल्लीचे CM अरविंद केजरीवाल हांकां अरेस्ट जाला. ताचेर आमचे कांय प्रश्न आसा, कांय क्वेरीज आसा ते आमी ॲडवोकेट साहेबाक विचारपाक आयला. सो तांकांच विचारया तांचें कितें म्हणणें हेजेर. सर, पयलो क्वेश्चन म्हाजो आसा, CM एका राज्याचो CM ताका कोणूय खंयच्या टायमार डायरेक्ट
CM
अरेस्ट
चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ए स्टेट ताका इम्युनिटी आसना. गव्हर्नर प्रेसिडेंट हांकां इम्युनिटी आसता, तसली इम्युनिटी CMाक ना. पूण कितें जाता, पुलीस नॉर्मली CMाक अरेस्ट करपाचें न्हय, बिकॉज द पुलीस कम्स अंडर द CM, बिकॉज CM normally is the home minister, but in this case the police is under the central government, so he had no control on the police. But in here the arrest is by the ED officials. He has been taken to the ED court.
So when as it is by central government, anytime he can be arrested.
To that extent, if there is requirement of arrest, yes. But see, according to me, there is certainly a scam. The so-called liquor scam involving the South Group is a scam. But before the Supreme Court, when Manish Sisodia's bail came up, the court was very clear that they were unable to show the money trail. They have not recovered any money. But still, Manish Sisodia did not get bail because it was, a law is such that a burden shifts on him. As far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned, to my mind, this is to a large extent politics, because elections are around the corner and anybody who is effectively opposing the present regime is kept inside. So my view is that the ED and the IB are all designed to keep opposition inside, and our democracy, our elections are getting designed in that format. It is a dangerous trend.
Yes, sir. One more thing, now that like you said, Manish Sisodia trail was not linked, but still he couldn't get the bail. How difficult it is for Arvind Kejriwal to get the bail?
See, if he is under PMLA, it may be difficult for him. In any case, the matter is being heard today. Let us wait for what the court has to say.
So another question that I have is, let's see, if he stays in the court for in the jail for a long time, can he run the government from the jail?
See, according to me, that is a grey area. Whether he can run from the government from jail is a grey area. There is no need for him to resign. But the governor, Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, may take a view that this is not permissible. This is breakdown of constitutional machinery. Maybe even the government is dismissed. We don't know. Let us wait for the governor to act in the matter, in case he wishes to act. But I would say that is a grey area, whether a chief minister can run the government from jail. No, it's a grey area.
So right now he is an accused,
Yes.
not a convict.
Yeah.
But are there any provisions in the law by which the Lieutenant Governor can tell him to resign?
See, the Lieutenant Governor may tell him to resign. If he does not resign, the Lieutenant Governor may say that this is breakdown of constitutional machinery, where a constitutional functionary is in custody, and it is not correct that the chief minister should be in custody. It sends a wrong signal. That is the view the governor could take. I do not know. But again I am saying, I am repeating, it's a grey area. This has not happened. Jayalalitha was arrested once, but immediately a successor was appointed for the Tamil Nadu government to be run.